foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today I'm not cooking anything, but I just want to show you how to make some decoration with buttercream. So let's start with the recipe of buttercream. Okay, so I have my cake baked, just following the cake box instructions. There is nothing much to tell there. And I have room temperature butter. These are 3 sticks of unsalted butter. We are going to whip it until the color of butter changes to pale yellow. Okay, in about 5 minutes, you see the butter just like this. I'm going to sift half cup of sugar in it, just to make sure we have the smooth consistency of sugar in the butter and there are no lumps. So it's easier for make buttercream. Okay, so I've added almost 3/4 cup of sugar, and let's add some flavoring. Vanilla essence. Okay, so my buttercream frosting is now ready. The true test is, as you can see, it's not falling, and if you turn the bowl upside down, it should not fall. So as you can see, there is nothing fallen. So this is it. So my buttercream is ready. I am going to make a chocolate frosting and simple vanilla frosting. So I'm going to keep it aside, some of the vanilla frosting, and I have a tall glass, so it's just easier for us to put the icing in the icing bag. So let's add the icing now. Just like so. I just added 4 tablespoons right now. I'm going to make a dog face today, and that's my piping bag. Squeeze it just like so, just like this. Okay, so let's start the cake decoration. I have a cake stand here. I placed the aluminum foil, and I can keep moving this, as you can see. So my cake is totally cool off now. So let's try some decoration. simple buttercream and cocoa powder, I made this craft into cake. So of course they both are not same, but as you can see they are doggies. I used some buttercream with some chocolate on top as eyes, covered with nose. Alright, so here is my doggy cake ready with homemade buttercream. I have used the buttercream and some chocolate flavor in it. So this is chocolate buttercream, and try to mimic this dog into the cake. Here you go. So I hope you like this recipe of buttercream and some decoration idea. So here you go. This is how it looks. That's the doggy eyes, doggy nose. Alright, so thank you for watching and thank you for visiting Foodland. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please share, like, and if you're not subscribed yet, try to subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.